Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Nvidia control panel windows not opening on your laptop. If you click it and nothing opens or it always load a blank window, don't worry, let's fix it in simple steps. First, let's restart the background service that controls the panel. Press Ctrl plus R, type services.msc and hit the enter. Scroll down and find Nvidia display container ls, Nvidia local system container. Right click each one and choose restart. This service often freeze and prevent the panel window from opening. Sometimes the app is stuck in the background taskbar. Click on Task Manager, go to the processor, find Nvidia control panel, right click it and select in tab. Now try open the control panel again from your desktop. Right click menu. If panel opens but shows a blank or frozen window, press Windows plus R, type CMD, press enter, type SFC, scan now. This checks and repair system file that Nvidia depend on. After it finishes, restart your laptop and open the control panel again. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. For watching, see you in next one.